The Ecarke 2-inch Brad Nailer offers cordless flexibility by being compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, making it convenient for users who already own these batteries. This versatile tool functions as both a Brad Nailer and a staple gun, capable of handling a wide range of fastening tasks with its ability to accommodate nails from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches and staples from 3/4 of an inch to 1 9/16 inches. Equipped with a safety nose, the nailer ensures that nails are only fired when the nose is fully compressed, providing a reliable safety feature for users. The LED indicator on the tool offers real-time monitoring of battery life and tool status, which helps users manage their projects efficiently. The Ecarke Brad Nailer is a portable and versatile tool suitable for various applications such as framing, repairing furniture, and reinforcing doors and windows, making it a valuable asset for home DIY enthusiasts. With a magazine capacity of 100 nails, this battery-operated Brad Nailer allows users to complete large projects without the need for frequent reloading.